Hi everybody. In this video I want to explain how you can actually leverage the image generator in ChatGPT to engage in personal storytelling using visuals. And I think storytelling is a very important part if you need to do a presentation, if you want to give a pitch or a keynote. And today I think the new image generator of ChatGPT really allows you to also create personalized images that can really strengthen your storytelling. And what I did is to create a specific GPT that can make it as easy as possible to start leveraging this image generator for personal storytelling. So let me briefly show you how this GPT exactly works. Okay, so here is my GPT that I developed called Personal Visual Storyteller. So you can simply kind of use it via the GPT store. I will also put the link to it in the YouTube description. So let me show you a bit how it works. So imagine that I want to pitch a startup that wants to solve the problem of monitoring energy bills. And I want to prepare a kind of pitch deck where I also want to do some personal storytelling. So I might also want to have some visuals that illustrate the pain point, and I want to use myself as the illustration. And so for this kind of use cases, you can really use this GPT. So let me show you what you can do. So let's just press start. And now you will see that you will have to answer a number of questions so that it can help you to create a personalized storytelling picture. So of course I have to upload a picture of myself. So that's the first step. So I will now briefly take a picture of myself that I can use. So here is a picture of myself, so that's uploaded, and now I need to answer these questions. So what message or emotion do you want to convey? So here I can say I want to illustrate the pain point of paying and monitoring energy bills. I have some typos, but that's not a problem. Then who is the audience? So here I can say investors in my startup. Where will be the visual use? So then I can say pitch deck presentation. What tone should it have? Here I could say personal. And finally, what kind of visual style? So here I could do indeed realistic style interpretation. And then I can press enter. And now actually in the background, I've given it some additional instructions to make a nice visual. So now we have to briefly wait until the visual is ready. And now you can see a first draft of the visual. And I hope you can agree with me that this is already a very nice illustration of me having the pain point of paying and monitoring energy bills. Of course, you can now further fine tune and optimize. But I hope that this shows you how you can really leverage this kind of GPTs to start really using this kind of image generator for personal storytelling in a wide variety of applications. Thanks for your attention. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hope to see you again for another video. Thank you.